Hello, I'm Patrick Linnell with the CattleFax Closing Bell. Today's Closing Bell is sponsored by IMI Global, third-party verification and value-added services you can trust. With the large front-end supply of fed cattle that has continued to drag on the market this spring, it's no surprise that carcass weights have remained stubbornly elevated. Last week, steer carcass weights averaged 894 pounds, down 2 pounds from last year, and only the second week this year with weights below a year ago. Carcass weights tend to find a seasonal low in late April or May timeframe, with an average decline of 5.6% from the fall highs. As a result of the slaughter limitations relative to large cattle supplies, this year's decline has only been 4.3%, using the low of 891 pounds 3 weeks ago. While the spring low may or may not be behind us, expect carcass weights to have a more modest seasonal increase into the second half of the year as the industry gains currentness. Higher corn prices and cost of gains may also restrain the seasonal increase in carcass weights. Historically, higher grain prices result in cattle feeders shortening days on feed, resulting in lighter carcass weights. Shortening days on feed has clearly not been an option so far this year due to the front-end supply. However, this could become a factor as cattle supplies become more manageable in the second half of the year. Turning to this week's market, a moderate fed cattle trade occurred in the north at mostly 120 live and 191 dressed, steady to $1 firmer than last week. In the south, moderate trade volumes were noted from mainly 119 to 120, steady with last week. In the box beef complex, last-minute Memorial Day purchases and continued buying from food service pushed choice boxes $5.80 higher, while selects advanced by $3.04. However, a softer undertone was noted late in the week. Around the country, feeder cattle traded steady to $3 higher, while the CME Feeder Cattle Index added $2.71 Thursday to Thursday, with this week at $136.57. Calves traded mostly $1 softer to $3 higher this week, while cull cows were mostly steady to $2 firmer. In a volatile week, corn ended near steady with spot corn futures poised to finish the week down 2 cents per bushel. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.